Hello everyone guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to show or hide StarTab bar in File Explorer in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So as if you want to show or hide StarTab bar in File Explorer in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly, click on Start and type this PC. After open this PC, view, and after click on view, after click on option, and after click on view. Now scroll down and here option show status bar. So if you want to hide, so uncheck this box, and if you want to show, so check this box. After click on apply, click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to show or hide status bar in File Explorer in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for the latest update.